Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some tips about Google Sheet. So if you have any doubt, this is my Telegram ID. You can text me there, or this is my Instagram. There also you can text me, or you can email me. Okay, inventivearya@gmail.com. Okay, so let's start the video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create this drop down box. So this is class column, this is time column, okay, and here are my dates, and this is status. So if this class got completed, okay, then I will mark here like completed, or if this class is not completed, I'll mark as pending. Okay, so I will tell you how to create this drop down box. Okay, so right click on any cell, after that click any cell, after that right click, and then scroll down. There is data validation, right? And then choose here list of items. Here you can see, right, help text like enter items separated by a comma. So I will enter completed. After that I will enter pending or no class. Fine, and then click here so validation help text. Okay, so this will like a tooltips. Click here and here it will show you the help text. Okay, after that click on save. Now you can see, right? Yes, you can see the list. Okay, like now you can mark completed, pending or no class. Got it? Or after creating one, right, you can just drag it. Fine, after that you can mark here. So hope you got it, like how to create drop down box. Okay, one more tips I wanted to give you, like for example I enter Jan. Okay, so if you want Feb, March, April, okay, so just click and drag it. See, automatically you'll get all the month name. Okay, fine. So if you are new, then please subscribe the channel. I'll keep making this type of video in future, like all these tips and tricks which can save your time. And this is my Telegram, or you can Instagram me, or you can fill the form in description box. Okay, so just go to my YouTube channel and there you will see form part. Okay, just click here. Okay, after that you'll see one page. Enter your email address, enter your name, enter your phone number, and this is optional. Okay, and enter your questions. Okay, whatever questions you have, just ask and click on submit. After that I will contact you soon.